everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for Malware News. One of the largest recruitment networks in Israel was targeted by a pro-Palestine group. Dragon Force, an alleged pro-Palestine hacker group, targeted Academy by blurting out the personal information of around 280,000 Israeli students. A new Hive ransomware group allegedly leaked stolen files from real estate software solutions firm Altruist Group. Microsoft revealed that Noblium Group is still active and used password spraying and brute force attacks to gain access to one of its customers' accounts. Microsoft also unwittingly signed off third-party driver NetFilter for Windows that contained rootkit malware and targeted the gaming community. Personal news reader NewsBlur announced it was knocked offline last week after a hacker infiltrated its network only to wipe out the entire database. We hope that you are staying safe in the cyber world, and please give us a call if you need any assistance. We're always here to help. Thanks, and have a good week.